have been a fashion staple for ages, and you'd think at this point in time we'd know all there is to know about them, right?
Right.
Wrong.
Oh.
Today, we're revealing your jeans' biggest secrets. This is Jeans 101.
Yay!
Welcome, students.
Hi.
I'm excited you signed up for my class this semester. I'm Miss Love, but you can call me Miss Love, all right? Now, in case you forgot, I'm sure you didn't, class is Jeans 101, all right? Now, who could tell me the exact definition of a jean?
Oh, I know.
All right, you.
Okay, me. Hi. A jean is another word for denim, a.k.a. a heavily twilled cotton cloth, usually in the form of pants. And, Miss Love, I think you spelled jeans wrong. Oh, but I'm really excited for this class.
What? No. No one read the syllabus? Genes are made up of DNA, not cotton. They're
What?
units of heredity that are transferred from a parent to an offspring. I've never heard of a more wrong answer in my life, okay? Begin by opening up your books to page 1.
Miss Love,
Yeah.
I think you're in the wrong classroom because maybe you're even in the wrong school. This is the Fashion Institute of Burbank. Thank you very much.
Tell her.
We're here to learn about jeans, the clothing.
Oh, no. I can't believe I did this
Pantalones.
again for a third time. Why do these cool schools keep hiring me? Why do I need a class for jeans? I mean, what could you possibly learn about them?
Wait, there's so much to learn. For example, do you think that you should put your jeans in the dryer? We need to know this.
Yeah.
The people want to know.
Well, I don't know. I'm a scientist.
Okay, well, Miss Love, let me teach you. You should actually never put your jeans in the dryer. You know this. In fact, you should rarely wash them. Just let them break in nice and slow. The heat from the dryer actually damages the cotton and weakens the fabric. The heat will also burn out the spandex, and any stretch that you had once in them will disappear. If you must wash your jeans, use cold water, let them air dry, and this will help them last for as long as possible.
We just learned something.
We learned something. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
you
I had no
might
idea.
say-
You're welcome, guys.
What you're saying is that spandex is the DNA of jeans. That's a little humor.
I wouldn't know. I'm just a fashion student.